Hello everyone, it's Anne here from Annmakes. Thank you so much for popping in this morning. Welcome into my studio. It's a nice bright sunny day and oh, there, did you just see Snowball just poked their head up? There we go. Snowball was sunbathing there. And yeah, she's just enjoying the heat of the sun coming in through the window. It's nice and sunny. It's still very cold outside, but we'll take the sunshine, that's for sure. So the last couple days, I've been busy with a lot of personal things. I had some medical appointments to attend to, and I needed to take my son a few places. He was looking for some stuff, so we went, we got a little shopping done in between all of that. And I wanted to share with you the crafty stuff I found in two different Walmarts. We had to go to Walmart. Well, we went to Walmart because my son was looking for something, and while I was there, of course, I picked up a few necessities for home, and of course, I went to check out the craft stuff, and I did look out because one of the Walmart, and then I went to the second Walmart I went to yesterday. I noticed the same thing. They had a lot of clearance things in the craft section, craft items for crafting that were on clearance. And so that's why I wanted to come on today and share that with you. There was a lot of stuff in the clearance, a lot of for kids crafting especially, and there were a lot of things that I didn't need to buy because I already have a lot of the same stuff, but I wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, maybe you're in need of a lot of basic supplies and you might want to check out your local Walmart to see if they have some of the same stuff on clearance. So let me show you what I found, what I bought at my local Walmarts. Excuse me. So in the craft section, one of the items they had on sale, on clearance, were the beads. Lots of beads were in the clearance. And they had this one that I chose, the alphabet beads. I'm looking for my glasses here so I could see the print. So these are alphabet beads, and they're by the Horizon group. Now, for those of you who, like me, have access to Dollaramas because we live in Canada, you may have noticed that there's a lot of Horizon group beads and gems showing up in our local Dollaramas, and they are really inexpensive. Well, they're the same ones. I've seen the exact same packages that we are buying at Dollarama for $2 for the gems, and I believe $3.50 for the beads. And the big box of beads, those of us who've been fortunate enough to find them, were $2. They're $6.50 at Walmart on clearance, down from, I believe it was $12 or $13. I can't remember exactly, or $15. But they're like $6.50 on clearance. I think they were like $15 or something like that. And we're finding them for $2 and $3.50 at Dollarama. So we're pretty lucky, those of us who are able to find those. And these I saw at Walmart. I got them. They were for $2. I don't remember if the retail price was $4. Unfortunately, I don't have that information on the Walmart receipt. Walmart doesn't put the pre-clearance price on the receipts, so I have to go from memory. And I think these were like $4, like $3.97 or something. So these were two on clearance, and you get there's quite a bit in here. Net weight 3 ounces, 85 grams. So for $2, got these alphabet. They're wooden beads. I thought these would be fun in my crafting, and I like that the bag can just, like I could show you, it's standing there on my laptop. See, you could just stand up, which is kind of fun. So they also had a lot of these foam stickers, the Critters foam stickers. These were only 50 cents. So they had quite a lot of those. I only got one of this one, which looks like little, called foam critters. There's like little frogs, little ladybugs, hedgehog. So I got that one. This one is dinosaurs. I got that. 50 cents. I think these are usually like almost $3 a pack. And this one is the Glitter Sea Life. So 50 cents. And they had some of the pom-pom packs on clearance. Not all of them. There was one pink left, so I grabbed it. And the other colors didn't appeal to me, but I did want pink. And the second Walmart I went to also had the same pom-poms on clearance, except they didn't have any pinks left. So, and they had these little packages of gems. I saw different colors at the 2 Walmarts that I was at. I just took these ones. And you get 84 of the little gems. They were on clearance for 50 cents. Down from, I think, $3 or $2. So, I think these were $1.97 actually. And these packs are $1, and you get 30 pieces, and there's different shapes and sizes in there. So that was $1 for these ones. And another nifty, crafty thing that I thought a lot of people might be interested in are these parachute cord clips. So they're the little plastic buckles. And I see buckles like this on, on bags, backpacks, purses sometimes, all sorts of things like that. And I just bought these to have as backups because sometimes we break them. And it's just like if you have a nice backpack or your carry-on or something and you have one of these and it breaks and yeah, at least we can have some little toggles here, or not toggles, cord clips, but little buckles there to replace them, and I can, fix that. And yeah, so these were $1, and I think these were like $3 or $4. They also had larger ones, but the larger ones were not on clearance. So I got that. And this was not on clearance, actually, but I just really, really liked it. I got this stamp, this wooden stamp. He was $2.97. And this is a Studio G. Yeah, Studio G. So this is the brand that you see at Walmart. And with this, they had a whole collection of type of traveler's notebooks and post-it notes and sticky notes and all sorts of little embellishments for those little traveler's notebooks. And every item was $2.97, and I think that's new at Walmart. So if you're interested in checking that out. And then the other thing I picked up, this was in the office supplies. I walked down that aisle. I didn't intend to go down that aisle, but it was a shortcut. And then I saw these sweet Post-it notes, and they had several types of Post-it notes on clearance, but I picked up this one. And this one is sweet as syrup. So it's basically a set of waffles and a set of syrup. And these were just $1. So I thought these were really cute little Post-it notes, waffles and syrup. So I picked them up, and then I paid more attention. There were a lot of the Post-it notes and office supplies in the clearance, so it's worth checking out. And there's crafty possibilities with those as well. Now I went down the aisle where they sell the hangers, the clothes hangers and laundry baskets and stuff. I wanted to see if they had some of these, which they call these pant or skirt hangers. And lo and behold, I was so lucky, they were in the clearance also. They were clearing these for $3 instead of $6.97, a pack of 3. Now, you're going to say, well, what's so crafty about that? Well, I needed some for my closet, for my clothes, but I also like to use these in my craft room, and actually more in my sewing area that's in my basement. And I do hang panels of fabric from these, But I also thought these would be good for hanging my diamond art canvases. And that way I have a safe way to store them until I decide what I'm going to do with them, if I'm going to frame them or whatever I decide to do with them. And then you can put one diamond art finished canvas here, hang another one like this, and then I can just hang them on a hook or put them in a closet. I can even put them in a garment bag to keep the dust off. So that was my intention for this. So yeah, 3 of these for $3 currently. And this is, I'm in Canada, by the way, so this might not be applying to the Walmarts in the US or different parts of Canada. I'm in Ontario, so that's why I got that. I also picked up some magazines because I was there and I just thought I would look at the magazine. I saw this one. This one is, let's try, card making and paper crafts. It's from the UK, and I like these European magazines a lot because they often come with some tools, some kind of kit with them. And this one is the January issue, or the first January issue. I think they make 2 issues a month or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is an issue from January, issue number 191. In Canada, this is $13.99. And this is the magazine. And it came with, this is what really attracted me to it, this kit where you get these lovely clear acrylic stamps that are, what is it? It says Time for Tea, and a doily embossing folder. And inside it's filled with a lot of how-tos and how to make lots of cards with this. And I just love the set, so that's why I got it, because I really like the stamp and the embossing folder. And inside I was going through it very quickly, and there's a lot of really neat techniques in here that I want to try. There's a few techniques in here that I've never tried, so, and I've learned and taught a lot of card making techniques, and there's a lot in here that is new to me, so I'm gonna have fun with that. Now, so that's very, very crafty, obviously. Now, the other thing I liked to do is buy magazines that I read, of course, and pull out recipes and such. But I hoard magazines, and for those of us who do art journaling, mixed media work and stuff, magazines are a great source, not only of inspiration, they are a great source of fodder and ephemera and images. So at Walmart, they have this bonus pack. You get the 3 magazines, 3 magazines for one low price of $7.99. Now this is Canada. And in here, there was a special issue of the wellness issue of Family Circle. So there's a lot about food, nutrition, taking care of your skin. There's recipes in here. And yeah, so it's a whole special issue like that. And I look forward to reading this. And there was a Better Homes and Garden, and about the trends for 2019. And there is a Martha Stewart Living. So once I've read these magazines, I've read every article that interests me and checked out the recipes and pulled out the recipes I want to keep and whatever. The rest of the magazine I can cut up, tear out for art journaling and any type of mixed media work. And these magazines, like Martha Stewart Living, there's a lot of nice big letters that you could cut out for your journaling. There's some great images in here. There's some beautiful pictures of food, of course, and all sorts of really cool stuff, like to cut out to create ephemera, to create embellishments. So that's one of the things I use my magazines for. I love to read them, but I also love to cut them up. And one that I buy all the time is Women's World, because first thing, it's super inexpensive. Women's World, I think, is only $1.99 or $2.99 here in Canada. And I find that Women's World, like, there's a lot of nice quotes in it that you could cut out to use on a piece of artwork, in your art journal. There's a lot of images. There's a lot of, like you can cut out the words like gorgeous, happy, if you want some nice words to put in your art journal pages. And there's just, I find that for $2.99 you get, I enjoy reading these. I enjoy the recipes. I also enjoy the puzzles in there. I often bring one of these to a doctor's appointment and I just do the puzzle, like I think there's a Sudoku in here if I'm not mistaken, or crossword. And there's lovely images afterwards to cut out, and it's so inexpensive. So if you're looking for an inexpensive form of not only entertainment, but of material to cut up images for your craft making, look into these magazines, and yeah, you'll find a lot for your money. And that's it for my Walmart haul this time. I don't do Walmart hauls very often because I don't go there very often, but yeah, I wanted to share that with you. So if you're crafty like me, you might want to check out the clearance. You might want to check out the sections that sell the crafts and stuff like that at your Walmart and pick up some crafty goodies. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you're inspired to get crafty. I have more haul videos to shoot, and then I have to get my craft on too. So until next time, stay crafty, take care of yourself, don't forget to like, comment, share. Thanks for watching. Bye.